Welcome to Leggari Products, everyone. Today, we're going to show you an awesome floor transformation. We use the titanium base and sky blue highlights. If you're interested in purchasing a floor kit, check out the link in the description below. Enjoy the video.
What an incredible video you guys just watched. If you want your projects to look the best, then you need to use the best. And with Leggari products, that's exactly what you're gonna get. There's no torching to get rid of bubbles and only a 7-day full cure time as opposed to 30. And remember to visit our online store at leggari.com to get your kit today or just a single item. And remember, leggari.com has you covered.